Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and set up the Metasploitable vulnerable virtual machine inside VMware Workstation Pro on a Windows 11 PC. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux system designed strictly for penetration testing practice and ethical hacking training. Do not use this VM on a production network. Before you start, make sure you have VMware Workstation installed, at least 2 GB RAM available on your machine, and then around 10 to 20 GB of free space, an active internet connection, and then the next thing is to download the Metasploitable machine. So here you just need a browser, go to Google, and then search for Metasploitable. Download. It gives you so many versions, but I normally prefer using Metasploitable 2 Rapid 7. And then I click on this link to initiate the download process. Then I click on download now. This file may take a few minutes to download based on your internet speed. So to save time, I've already downloaded it. So let's move on. So here, when I come to my download directory, I have the file downloaded. So the next step is to extract the Metasploitable files. So what I will do is right click on it and then click on extract all, browse for it. And then here I want the file to be stored in this virtual machine folder in my document directory or folder. Then I click on select and then click on extract, and then it starts extracting the files. Right, so here it has been extracted. So this is the extracted file. The folder name is Metasploitable 2 Linux. So when I double click on it, I see all the files. You can just double click on this to launch the machine, or you can just go onto your VMware setup on your desktop, double click on it. Right, so this is the previous one that I had. So let me just remove it. Now, the next is for you to click on, in this case, you are not creating a new virtual machine. You can do that and then select, I will install the operating system later and then use that to launch it. But the easiest way is just click on open a new virtual machine and then select the setup here and then click on open and then power it on. And then when you click on power on, a pop-up comes and then you need to click on I copied it. So here it is setting it up. This will take some few minutes to set up. So now your Metasploitable VM is ready. So the default username is msfadmin, msfadmin. So let me just type in msfadmin. So let me just go on to the magnifier. Let me check the spelling admin. So MSF admin. I wanted to actually use the magnifier so that you can see it very clear, but it's okay, MSF admin. And then the password is the same, MSF admin. Press enter, and now you have access to the Metasploitable terminal. Right. So now you can type in ifconfig to know the IP address assigned to this. So the IP address assigned to this Metasploitable is 192.168.153.137. And that is how you download and install Metasploitable virtual machine in a VMware workstation. So this machine is perfect for practicing exploitation, scanning, and penetration testing with tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and many more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.